In the school I was trapping. In the school you was class clown.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Vonnie Lee. Welcome to my channel, and I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe right now. Even though this is my first video, it's all good vibes over here and I'm here to entertain. Video, I'm gonna be doing my makeup and I'm gonna be doing this look that I seen on Instagram. I'm gonna post a thumbnail of it right there and y'all gonna see how I do. I'm not the best at makeup, but I'm still gonna try because when you put in effort, you succeed. You heard? So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, but y'all can watch me do my eyeshadow. So I'm back from doing my eyebrows and now we're gonna get into the eyeshadow. So the palette that I'm using today is the JUVIA'S palette. Like, boom, look at that, look at that. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is Maybelline. It's the Dream Illuminator. I don't know, but I'm gonna be going right here because I want to make it lighter so that my colors come out just a little more pigmented, even though they already are very pigmented colors. Everybody should buy their palettes from there because the colors are beautiful. It's a good black brand. Yeah. So when I do that, beauty blender, and I'm just gonna like dab there a little bit. You know what I mean? I can't even see. And I'm gonna do the other side.
But yeah, I just do this so that, no, not even come out better, but it shows better. The color shows better. And like, I don't know about other people, but my eyes, like when I close my eyes, I have like little red, like things and stuff. I don't know. But yeah, so the color comes out better.
So the first color that I'm gonna use is the orange blending brush. Orange, and you know, yeah, like me. And I'm gonna put it in like the middle, just the middle though. Like, wow. Yo, that orange fire. Like, really though. Whoa, whoa. This is why I recommend this palette to everybody. The colors are so pigmented. Like, it's really crazy the way that they show up on the skin. Oh, wow. Look at me talking like something.
I'm gonna like show up on the skin. I'm weak. Then
I'm gonna go in with this blending brush and I'm gonna go into the yellow because yellow, you feel me? And I'm gonna put the yellow right next to the orange, but I'm gonna like blend it like into the orange, you know what I mean? Because I like to be close up and personal, up close and personal, close up and personal. Wow.
My nigga. No.
Alright y'all, so I'm back from since my phone fell. Like, I'm so tight. Anyway. Okay, so now the next color I'm gonna go in with, the brush I'm gonna use is the shadow brush. it's like a little bit angled, you see. And I'm gonna use this pink down here. I'm gonna put it right next to the orange. Master Conceal by Face Studio, and this is shade 40 medium, because I bet you can't see. Okay. So I only get like a little tiny bit like that, because if I get a lot I always mess it up, but I just start from right here and then just drag it down. I can always see where mine is. Doing is I'm gonna be applying eyeshadow where I cut my crease at. Revolution Pro HD palette. Boom. So now what I'm gonna be doing is, I don't know about some people, but I use tape. My key to a good eyeliner is tape, because I don't have the steadiest hands. I mess up so fast, and this tape, okay, so this tape is gonna go right here just like that. Perfect. You level it up, perfect, period. Just like that. Now I'm gonna be using this Forever 21 waterproof eyeliner. I'm telling you, sometimes Forever 21 is the way to go. Eyeliner brush. I take this NYX glitter primer, so holographic, and this to apply this right over top of the eyeliner, right on top of that. I'm gonna take this, then I'm gonna take this, and I have this NYX glitter is dark blue. It's like royal blue.
Emma.
I'm gonna pour some into the cup. And then I'm just gonna take the cup, take this, and move it around in there so that now I have glitter on here.
Now I'm gonna get into doing my face. No. Then I'll put some eyelashes on. Y'all know the vibe. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and put on my foundation, concealer, and all of that. Period. Foundation, and the foundation that I use is the CoverGirl Outlast. It's shade 860. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on.
I take my beauty blender, make sure it's wet and puffy. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and dab around everywhere. Make sure that I get the foundation all over my face. And what you wanna do is you wanna bring the foundation down to your neck, like wipe it.
No, I can't pause it.
What is it? A YouTube?
Yeah. And you all in it. So back to what I was saying. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in everywhere. Make sure it gets everywhere. But I'm not trying to get it on my edges. Yeah, feel me? Bring it down. Hey. Then the Maybelline Lightening and Creamy Concealer. And I'm just gonna take it
And I'm gonna put it all under, right there. Just like that. Just like that. It don't really matter how you, maneuver. Just make sure you get in the right spots. You feel me? I only put it on my forehead.
LA Colors contour palette, and I don't have a top on it because I broke this little brush that I got from TJ Maxx, and I go in with like a color that's a little bit darker than my skin tone, and I just take it and I, you know, fish lips.
And I just apply it right here, just lightly bronze in my skin, and I apply it right below my baby hairs here and right on top.
Contour my nose, just like that. Hey, baby. The baking powder that I use is Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. And I got it from Ulta Beauty. You guys, go comment in my comment section and please give me ideas on videos that I should do, makeup looks that I should do, pranks, anything. And just know that when you hear we're gonna be lit. So if you guys feel like this video could have been better by me doing anything different, then please let me know in the comment section below. So then I'm gonna be taking this big Wet n Wild brush that I have. I'm gonna go in with this purple, this little brush that I have right here, so tiny, and I'm gonna be applying that underneath. This Naked Cosmetics, and it's the shade Desert Sunset. That I also got from Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna slightly like dip it in.
But I'm saying like, I feel like I look like a clown.
Most that I use is LA Colors. That this hair is really amazing. I got this hair from My Crown Wigs, so I'm really loving it. You guys just let me know what type of videos I should do, what type of anything.